Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
Today, we have a special treat for you guys. I know everyone's practically heard of deviled eggs. But why don't we throw angel in there too and have angel and devil eggs? And you're probably wondering, what am I talking about, angel and devil eggs? Well, since they say angels wear white, so we're gonna keep the traditional per se devil eggs, the white egg whites, and we're gonna fry it up, the egg whites, and call it deviled because, you know, frying has fat in it and it's not exactly 100% healthy for you, so we'll call that deviled. But I do have to give credit really quick to the aunties in Atlanta from OLG gang called Mama Joyce, Aunt Nora, and Aunt Bertha. This is their deviled eggs. So just want to tell you where the devil part, I mean, they just call theirs devil eggs, but because we fried it, I called it devil, and I called it angel, so it's like heaven meets earth. And so the angel part is just the traditional per se devil eggs, but it's our key filling ingredient here, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Here's our vitamin content.
Frying my deviled eggs, and I'm dipping it in the flour. I'm taking it from the flour, and I'm putting it in my egg. And I'm putting it in some Panko, as you see, right into the fryer. Okay, as you see, we have our grounded up yolks, egg yolks, and I'm going to put in some Miracle Whip. I'm going to put in some of our mayonnaise, and we're different. We like to mix everything up, and intense and very good. Next, I'm going to put some honey Dijon mustard. We'll go with the yellow and red peppers. Nice color. I like the colors always. Color's nutrition, as we would say. Some relish, sweet relish, guys. Get some good sweet relish in there. Okay. And we have some smoked paprika. Put in some pepper and some Himalayan salt. A little more of this. Okay, we're gonna mix it up and see what comes around here. Here we go.
So here are our heaven because they're all angelically white, and our deviled eggs. And devil because it has a nice little fat to it because we fried it up. And what I'm gonna do here, again, because I liked to jazz things up, I have some plantain croutons, because you gotta get that crunch in, that I'm topping it with. And to get some goodness in here, gotta add sprinkle some turkey bacon on here. I mean, what would a devil egg be without some tasty bacon? Let's get a little greenery, get that good looking shot in here, and get our paprika up in here. Gotta get that little bit of color. Ooh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty, guys. And look at this beauty, guys. Look at our angel. I want you guys to get a close up here and see. Here's our angel eggs topped with some turkey bacon And some plantain croutons, yes. And I want you to get a look at our deviled eggs, fried, okay? OLG, representing them right here, filling, my chefing all the way. Our plantain croutons, topped with some turkey bacon, and some paprika and parsley. And here are a list of ingredients. Well, E, here we go.
Yes, it is.
Heaven on earth.
Heaven on earth. Bon appetit, Mama.
Are you an angel or you're a devil?
I'm gonna be the angel today.
You gonna be the angel
You
today?
can be the devil all
I'll
you
be
want.
the devil today,
I
baby.
know you love being
Because
the
these
devil.
devil eggs sure look great.
Oh yeah. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. The filling,
Alright.
delicioso.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
To die for.
this is so good and refreshing. With the peppers, that's what yeah.
Yeah.
You get that freshness
Yeah.
from the peppers. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. And subscribe.
Always.
Subscribe. We love you guys.
Mm-hmm.
And we look forward to hanging out with you again. Bye.
Take care now.